Owen.
One of these great grapes.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Say hi, Auntie Becca.
Hi, Auntie Becca.
You wave.
Wave to the
Oh, come on down here. Grandma's doing it too. Hey. There goes Gracie. Come on, Tyler.
I got present for you.
Hurry up. Bring it down.
Let's go.
Here.
I got present for you, Daddy.
You do.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the presents. We're not going to need Santa to come. Oh, you said it too early.
So many presents.
Tyler. Oh, fiddle, I think it's done.
Miss Tyler. She's up there, so it's gentle.
He's gonna fall in.
Did you drop your guy?
Okay, I think Donald's going to have to send his because I'm not sending my work.
It's almost good one.
Oh, you needed some votes too, huh?
Can you shake yours? Shake them. Shake them. Shake them. Let's go.
Merry Christmas!
Here comes Gracie down there.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Okay, let's get you a present. Come on.
Put it under the tree. Let's put it under the tree. Come on. Grace, come on. Let's go. Hurry.
Gracie.
Come on, Gracie. Let's go. Merry Christmas!
Good job. There you go.
Good
Turn
job.
around, tell Grandpa. Hang on, I gotta get a picture.
Oh, are you Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry
Come
Christmas!
over here, Tyler. Come over here and stand by the Christmas tree for me.
Oh, Merry
Turn
Christmas!
around.
Are you taking a video of this now?
I think this is a camp. This is a picture. Turn around.
Oh, Merry
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, here. No, I got it.
I don't know why I'm doing it with that.
Oh,